Hello everyone, a happy new year to you and yours. I hope you guys had a great entrance into 2022. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I wash my box braids with curly ends. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video, and also comment below on anything you'd like to say or what you want to see next on this channel. So I have had these braids for about a month. I basically have box braids with curly ends, so I'm going to make sure that I refresh the ends, making them more curly and defined again. And then I'm also going to wash those roots because you can see that I have buildup, product buildup, and also maybe makeup and dandruff because I have quite a dry scalp. So I do get flaky a lot quite sooner. And then I'm also going to make sure that I re-moisturize my hair underneath the braid to make sure that my hair is feeling healthy and also it doesn't break. I'm going to start by using these perm rod roller sets to curl the bottom of the box braids and make sure that they defined. You would usually use them the same way you would do a perm rod set. Just roll it onto the perm rod curl and then clip it. I'm doing this mostly in front because when they finished, I'm going to use flexi rod sets, and I'm going to use that at the back of my hair because when I use the flexi rods, the curls are not that defined, so I'd rather have them on the back and then have the more defined curls using the perm rod set in front. Usually the flexi rods just float on water, so they don't become that defined when I'm trying to boil the ends, so that's why I put them at the back. Like, they're quite heavy and it's a lot, but And then now I'm going to use some plain water and I'm going to spray it onto my scalp, on the areas that I'm going to put some shampoo. I'm going to focus the shampoo mainly on my scalp. When I add the shampoo, I make sure to focus it onto my scalp. So I basically massage it around those lines that the box braids made. So I'm going to do this all over my scalp before I rinse it out. I'm just spraying on the plain water and then I massage the shampoo onto my scalp until I've covered every area. Some areas might dry out while I'm busy with other areas, but that will be okay when I'm just rinsing out the shampoo altogether. Now to rinse out the shampoo, I'm using warm to hot water, and then I'm just going to focus it mainly on my scalp where I put on the shampoo, also going through the lines, but I'm not being rough when I massage out the shampoo using the water. I still make sure that I only scrub where they already are lines, and then that I don't disturb any hair making it come out or anything. I also make sure that that shampoo and water flows down the rest of the braids where my hair would usually be. I'm then going to dry the braids before I boil them. I use a t-shirt to dry the top half of my hair, and then I use a towel to dry beneath because beneath you won't have my real hair, and then on top I don't want to break anything, so that's why I use the t-shirt on top. I'm then going to re-moisturize my hair by using a restorative conditioner. This is basically a conditioner plus a leave-in, so I won't have to basically rinse it out. So I put it on to the scalp, and also I make sure to put it on every single braid. It will create a white residue on top, but that will melt away while I am boiling the ends of these braids, which I'm going to do when I'm done doing this, conditioning the hair and covering each and every section of the hair, making sure that my hair is moisturized underneath as well as on top. It looks neat and shiny. And then to boil the ends, I do it section by section, meaning that I'll put a section of the braid into the boiling water and I'll make sure that after that I dry it with a towel, because you do not want that hot water dripping down your body or anything. So that's how I'm going to do it, to make sure that each and every section is boiled, but also making sure that I do not burn myself. I dip it into the boiling water maybe 2 or 3 times to make sure that those ends are really defined and pretty. I'm also going to air dry these braids, so I'll make sure that I dry them enough with a towel and they're not too dripping wet, because you don't want to wait that long for these braids to dry. And then to restore the pottings and the roots, to make sure that they are neat and they also very well defined, I'm going to use this hair butter by Didiera. I'm going to put the hair butter onto my root, and then I roll the braid at the roots to make sure that they look as neat as when you got the braids, and that they do not look that old. They look very neat, they look shiny, and they also look healthy. And then when the hair has dried out, you can see that it looks so neat. It looks actually new in my opinion, and it looks very clean and good to go wherever you're going. And then I'm going to take out these ruler sets. You're going to see how very defined they are, very curly, they're very dry now, and I'm going to do that all throughout my hair and you'll see how they look. To finally finish off and bring back the shine to the braids and hair, I'm going to use Aunt Jackie's Shine Boss all over my hair. I'm just going to spray it all over my hair. What I love about the spray, and I always say, it smells amazing, and also it will bring the shine. It's not shy of being shiny. And now the hair is dry, shiny, looking beautiful, clean, and also neat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Do not be shy to leave a comment.